Welcome to today's video, where we are going to share a real-life success story of someone who turned their financial life around. In this story, we will learn how Sarah managed to pay off $50,000 of debt in just 2 years. Her journey is full of ups and downs, but she never gave up, and neither should you. Let's dive into the details. Step 1. Facing the reality. Sarah's journey started when she realized her debt had spiraled out of control. Credit cards, student loans, and personal expenses had piled up to a massive $50,000. At first, she felt overwhelmed, not knowing where to start. But Sarah decided to take the first important step, acknowledging her situation. She made a list of all her debts and understood where her money was going. Step 2. Creating a solid plan. After realizing the gravity of her debt, Sarah created a financial plan. She started by tracking her expenses using a budgeting app. She identified areas where she was overspending, like eating out and shopping. Then, she made a strict budget, cutting unnecessary expenses and focusing on essentials. Step 3. Increasing income. Sarah knew that just cutting expenses wasn't enough. So, she looked for ways to increase her income. She started freelancing as a graphic designer in her free time. This side hustle brought in extra money, which she put directly towards her debt. Step 4. Paying off debt strategically. Sarah used the debt snowball method to pay off her debts. She started by paying off her smallest debts first, gaining confidence with each success. With each debt cleared, she put that extra money towards the next one. This motivated her to keep going until the larger debts were finally tackled. Step 5. Staying consistent and motivated. The key to Sarah's success was staying consistent. There were moments of frustration, but she kept reminding herself of her goals. She also stayed motivated by visualizing her debt-free life. Each month, she could see the progress, and that pushed her to stay on track. Conclusion. After 2 years of hard work, Sarah finally paid off her $50,000 debt. Her journey shows that with determination and a solid plan, financial freedom is possible. If Sarah can do it, so can you. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more inspiring personal finance stories.